dump truck BCM 291.5 SKALA is a new development of the Becema machine building factory for use in the mining industry. The dumping superstructure with a volume of 20 cubic meters is installed on the KAMAZ 65801 chassis with the 8x4 wheel arrangement and is made taking into account the requirements to equipment for operation at open mining sites. Excellent indicators of strength and wear resistance are provided through the use of wear-resistant steel in the truck body structure. The material is characterized by the high Brinell hardness, 400–450 units, high tensile strength, increased resistance to dents and abrasion. The use of wear-resistant steel made it possible to stop using vertical stiffeners on the body side structure and reduce the length of the welds, which led to a decrease in the total weight of the structure and increase its service life. Additional body rigidity is ensured by the profile of the side surfaces. The thickness of the front, rear and side boards is 8 mm. The specific feature of the body is a unique patented bottom shape. The W-shaped design with increased heating efficiency from the chassis exhaust system minimizes the risk of rock adhesion even at extremely low temperatures. In addition, the shape of the double bottom of wear-resistant steel with a thickness of 10 mm has high shock absorbing properties, which reduces the shock stresses on the chassis when loading large fractions of rock. The top-shaped body elevated in the rear side and the special design in the backboard optimizes the unloading process by providing a large opening area for the backboard. In accordance with the requirements to the equipment for operation at open mining sites, the dumping superstructure is fitted with a protective 5 mm thick visor with reinforcement plates covering the entire cabin from the top. The visor is designed to install removable extenders for additional protection against falling rocks on top and sides. To ensure high reliability in harsh operating conditions, the dump frame of the dumping superstructure is made of high-strength 8 mm thick girder made of S420MC steel with a reinforced body dumping mechanism. Among the specific features of the model configuration, one should also note the following: reinforced stabilizer, elements on the body sides which protect the chassis elements from cargo spilling during loading, with preparation for installing additional rubber fabric protective screens, rear lights protection, steel wings on the second axle and rubber fabric wings of the rear suspension, lights for additional lighting when moving in reverse. The model provides for sound and light alarms to notify about the elevation of the truck body. To work effectively in the harsh freezing climate, the dump truck is equipped with Binotto Hiva hydraulic equipment designed for operation in Arctic conditions at temperatures down to -50°C. Reducing the time of the unloading cycle is provided by installing an NPH A2 hydraulic pump of improved capacity, which increases the performance of the dump truck. All external surfaces of the dump truck are shot blasted before painting, which guarantees high durability of the final coating. The body color can be changed at the client's request according to the RAL catalog. The BCM 291.5 SKALA dump truck is one of the most efficient and cost-effective solutions for organizing works for transportation of rock and other materials. The new model allows you to optimize the transportation cost and significantly reduce the overall transport costs of the equipment owner in future. And convenient service provided by the Becema factory and its official dealers makes the operation of special equipment even more profitable and convenient for customers from various regions.